Hello guys, and welcome to another video from Vintage Radar. Today I'm going to show you how to wind a Tissot automatic watch. Today we have the Tissot PRX Powermatic 80 with the open heart, so we have the see-through part right here. So the easiest way to wind your automatic watch, your Tissot automatic watch, is to actually wear it. So as you can see here on the back of the movement, we have a metallic part that spins as we rotate the watch. So as you wear the watch, you will actually wind the watch by wearing it. So this metallic part that is called a rotor is going to rotate and it is going to wind the watch. So the easiest way would be to pick up the watch, give it a quick shake. So you are going to shake it a few times, and then the watch should start, as you see right here. You can set the time and then you can put it on the wrist, and as you wear it you can actually wind the watch. So this is going to work for all automatic watches. As you wear them, you are actually going to wind them, so that is why they are also called self-winding mechanisms or self-winding watches, because they wind themselves. Now there are going to be certain automatic watches, not all of them, that also feature a manual winding option. So you can also manual wind the automatic movement. This is also available for the Powermatic 80 because it is very hard to actually reach the 80 hours of power reserve that you have on this movement by wearing it alone. So what you want to do is to rotate the watch crown to the right, and that is going to wind the watch. You can also hear it wind. You can wind it about 20 to 40 times and that should get the job done. Now something really important to know is that you can actually shake the watch in both directions, so either to the left or to the right. So the rotor on these modern automatic watches is going to wind the mechanism if it rotates to the right or to the left, so you do not have to worry about that. Now in case your automatic watch does not feature the manual winding option, such as some vintage Seiko 5 movements do or other brands, you can easily use the method of shaking it and then put it on the wrist. So guys, that was the quick tutorial that I had for you today. You now know how to wind your Tissot automatic watch, in this case also the PRX version. If you are interested in seeing more videos just like this one, make sure to be subscribed to this YouTube channel. If you found value from this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, let me know what you'd like to see next on this YouTube channel, and I'm going to see you guys on the next one.